Motors Place, Vancouver, British Columbia. With Bill Clement, I'm Gary Thorne, ready to bring you hockey between the Boston Bruins and the Vancouver Canucks.
It's always great to come here to Vancouver. I just always got to give my head a shake to see what kind of uniforms they're wearing. Remember, they've changed colors and design a few times in their history.
Chara to Recchi. To Gretzky. Good effort on a one-timer to Lucic. To Hamhuis. They'll dump it around the near side wall. To Chara. He's off and going on a breakaway. To Keith. And they're into the zone. That puck's just going to hit him and rebound away. Nice play. To Keith. Good save made on that. Recchi. Got it where he wanted it and got it on goal. To Savard. Big time. Should have had that one and he didn't get it. And on a breakaway, just a laser shot. Wiedemann. On a breakaway. He scores! David Krejci. What a great angle that ends up being. That went in off the post.
Gary, that opening is 4x6, and he used it all.
Pass intercepted. He'll carry this one. That one coming off the post. Beijing. Play will go on, but we're going to get a penalty. Delayed call coming. Let's see what this penalty is as he gets over to make the call. The Canucks are going to be short-handed. They're picking this one up for charging. It'll be 2 minutes.
Well, folks, you go ahead and count the strides. Way too many. Automatic charging call.
Neutral zone turnover. Brings that puck into the offensive zone. Great scoring opportunity right there. He singed that baby, but it's off the crossbar. He was in the right place, right time. That'll be a block shot. No skating this one in as they clear it in. There's a one-timer. What a beautiful goal.
Gary was a cannon right in the wheelhouse.
Effort works. They get this game tied up.
That's effort. That's what you got to do. You fall behind and put the nose to the grindstone and get the job done. Number 15.
Oh, went right through him. What a shot it opened up. Cheney. Shot. That's a tough save. That was a tough scoring chance. What a shot out there in the open ice area. Big-time shot. He's a long breakaway. That's a goal-scoring effort right there to Ryder. Savard. He's in on a breakaway. Here's the odd man rush opportunity. Big-time effort. That's the offensive zone. Wiedemann. He's off and going. Well, he rattled the iron with the ball. Shot. Chara. Wants to get the offense going as he comes through center ice. Good battle at both ends of the ice. This one's tied at one apiece. After one, it is 1-1. second period. Great to have you with us. We'll see whether or not we get a different looking period here. LaPierre. Here's a chance to move the puck now. He'll carry this. That's a big open ice hit. Oh, there's a... How can he miss that? Piazza down low on a backhand to Chara. There's a big hit along the boards. Ginny. To Krejci. Into the zone. They get a 2-on-1. Opportunity to move the puck now. He'll carry this one out of the end. Deflected in off the defender. He's not going to want to watch that again. Henderson's goal. And I'm not sure I should say that.
Oh, come on. I mean, I've seen brain lock before, but this is a 10 out of 10.
Good backhand chance from the top. Wayne Gretzky, here he comes. Here's the odd man rush opportunity. To Ryder. There's an offensive opportunity against the wall. Nice play. Use the body to block that one. That's a stick save. Here's a chance on the offensive end of the pit. Good play to get that puck back. Interception in the defensive zone. Time up. We've got a penalty coming. Delayed call. Let's see what this is. With that whistle on the delayed call, let's see what that was on. The Canucks are being assessed 2 minutes. Whistle for cross-checking.
Oh, listen, you can take a guy out cleanly, but you can't cross-check him. Automatic deuce.
Vancouver penalty to number 51. To Krejci. He had it where he wanted it and got it on goal. Daniel Sedin. Down. He's got a shot at the trick. That's his second. LaPierre's goal is one that, if you're on the other side, you really gave one up.
Without a doubt, Gary, because this guy thinks defensively almost all the time. I mean, that's a big goal for him.
The Canucks offense, wow, what an explosion they've had here in this game.
This game's over. I'm going for a hot dog. What do you want on yours?
Oh, what a blast. Ryder. Nice shot at open ice, and that'll take care of controlling that puck. Get his head down and rocked him.
Oh, you gotta love a hit like this in open ice. Except that is...
He scores! Marc Savard. One-timer. What a beautiful goal.
Gary, it was a cannon right in the wheelhouse.
The Bruins' deficit in this game is cut to 2. They need more, but that's the beginning.
You bet it is. And right now, a lot of this is about the hatred of losing. Everybody loves to win. But if these guys really hate to lose, they're going to score more.
And that's going to conclude the second period. The Canucks lead 4-2. They've added to it. One more to go underway here in this third period. Wideman. Heading the other way as he lugs this one up. It's a cannonade. There's the shot. Big time open ice collision. Michigan. Here's a 2-on-1. On the stick, skating in front. Gets belly rattle the iron with that one. And they intercept defensive zone. Two on a breakaway. Tremendous opportunity right there, but it's where it ends up.
A post rocket.
Wants to get the offense going as he carries this one up. Into offensive chance. That's a great play for a shot. To Savant. To Chitan. Into the ice. To Thornton. Carries that puck into a high offensive scoring area. To Key. Puck is free. Then he scores. Pretty good effort right there by a Grinder.
Grinder Schminder. This guy is a goal scorer that's running around in Grinder's costume.
The Canucks offense has given them a 3-goal lead, and we're in the third period.
All systems go. I love the way they've taken control of the game here in the third.
Assisted by number 97 and by number 32.
Takes the shot. Scoring opportunity denied. That one hit him right in the mask. Shot. That's a big scoring chance denied with a stick. There's the shot. And the save made. Daniel Sedin.
Oh, take a look at this one. This is how you launch lasers.
The Canucks snipers, they are present and scored.
Full throttle. I mean, they've just taken this game away.
The intercept.
Daniel Sedin assisted
Look, he's a long breakaway. Chance bangs that one away. That one had a chance. He's got it on the stick. Moves it into the zone. Bergeron. Arm up. We got a penalty coming. This is going to be a delayed whistle. Delayed call as he skates over to the box here. Let's see what we've got. The Canucks are in trouble here. This is going to be a minor 2 minutes for elbowing.
Oh, it looked like he tried to.
Didn't get that one home. What a mustard shot that was. There's the shot. Pass intercepted. He's off and going on a breakaway. Big time shot. Offensive chance. That's a great place for a shot. Rifles that one, and what a great place to shoot it from. There's the puck. That's his job, and he gets it done. The wheel. Looking around, decides to lug it into the zone. They'll dump it around the near side wall. Salo in the air and on the tip. He's out in front of the rookie. He scores! Ryan Kessler.
What an exciting play. He skates to daylight, then a well-executed breakaway goal.
Vancouver goal.
Puck rolls into the offensive end on a good dump.
By number 15.
To Krejci. And on a breakaway through the stars. David Krejci. Be in the right place and keep your stick down.
Yeah, drive the net and good things will happen.